Assalamualaikum dear CSS parents, welcome back to the channel where we simplify complex topics for your town planning and urban management preparation. Today we are diving into a highly relevant and impactful topic, housing community and economic development. So this lecture will help you understand how urban housing is not just about shelter, it's a powerful engine for economic progress, community well-being and social justice. We will explore how equitable development policies can uplift disadvantaged communities, ensure inclusive growth, and create sustainable urban environments. So, as always, you will find a PDF of lecture notes and a Google Form MCQs quiz in the description to test your understanding and reinforce your learning. Let's build the foundation for a better urban future, one concept at a time. Housing community and economic development. Housing community economic development and economic growth are deeply interconnected aspects of urban and regional planning. Equitable development ensures that all segments of society, especially disadvantaged and marginalized groups, have access to adequate housing, economic opportunities, and essential services. This approach promotes social justice, reduces poverty, and fosters sustainable urban growth. The housing role in community and in economy. So housing is a fundamental human need and a key driver of community stability and economic vitality. Affordable, safe and adequate housing provides shelter and security, improving health and well-being, supports education and employment stability. So creates a foundation for education and employment by offering stable living conditions, stimulates local economies through construction, maintenance and related industries, and encourages social cohesion by fostering diverse inclusive communities. So in many developing countries including Pakistan, housing shortages and informal settlements are major challenges. Addressing these requires policies that promote affordable housing, prevent slum proliferation and integrate housing with infrastructure and services. So equitable development skills and knowledge for professionals, urban planners, policymakers and development professionals must be occupied with understanding of social equity principles, recognizing disparities and access to housing services and opportunities and working to eliminate systemic barriers. Then community engagement, especially vulnerable groups in planning and planning process to ensure their needs and voices shape development outcomes, and knowledge of affordable housing strategies including public-private partnership, subsidies, tenure security, and economic development tools such as job creation programs, skills training, microfinance and support for small businesses that empower disadvantaged communities, and integrated planning approaches, coordinating housing with transportation, education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability to create livable neighborhoods. Then commitment to expanding expanding opportunities and quality of life. Equitable development is about more than housing. It's about expanding opportunities and improving quality of life for all citizens. So this includes access to basic services like clean water, sanitation, healthcare, education and safety. Economic empowerment, creating pathways for employment, entrepreneurship and income generation. Then promote social inclusion and reducing segregation and discrimination based on income, ethnicity, gender or disability, and environmental justice, ensuring that disadvantaged communities are not disproportionately affected by pollution or lack of green spaces. Case studies and slum upgrading. So slum upgrading programs in cities like Karachi and Lahore focus on improving infrastructure and legalizing tenure rather than forced eviction. So mixed income housing developments promote social integration and reduce economic segregation. Community driven development projects empower residents to identify priorities and manage resources, and microfinance and vocational training initiatives help low income groups start small businesses and improve livelihoods. So why this matters for CSS parents? For CSS parents and future urban professionals, understanding The nexus of housing, community, and economic development is essential. Equitable development requires a multidisciplinary approach combining technical skills, social awareness, and policy knowledge. So, by committing to these principles, planners and policymakers can help build inclusive, resilient cities that offer opportunities and dignity to all residents, especially the disadvantaged. So, in conclusion, housing, community development, and economic growth are not separate silos, they are threads of the same fabric that shapes urban life. So, as CS aspirants and future policymakers, your role is not only to understand how these areas interconnect, but also to promote solutions that ensure fairness, inclusion, and sustainability. So, equitable development means prioritizing the needs of the most vulnerable, integrated housing with economic opportunities, and designing cities that offer dignity and access to all. So, remember, urban development is not just about infrastructure, it's about people. Keep striving for knowledge that empowers you to build cities that truly work for everyone.